Here we come to the big freight elevator here at this location in Sugar Land, Texas, with the same building where I filmed the passenger one. This is also a ThyssenKrupp with Mad Atoll fixture as well. And it's not on this floor. So Spectraler Advanced L series. I believe that is like a speaker strobe or chime strobe of some sort, I don't know. The door is slow. Hopefully this one works right than the passenger one. This one's big. Number 3. One. Just your basic stainless steel service elevator. Surprised it's got the wood floor. It's your fixtures. ThyssenKrupp Mad Atoll. Let's watch the button go out. I have the exact same elevator button kind in my collection that I got from ThyssenKrupp based in Dallas. Except the contact are Mad DMG dupe. Or DMG, I'm sorry. Watch it close up. There it goes, and